Installing the POV Kodi add-on on Kodi 21 Omega is a breeze. First, launch your Kodi app and head to the settings by clicking the gear icon. From there, navigate to File Manager and select Add Source. Click on Start Routes and enter the URL https://kodafitswell.github.io repo for the POV repository. Make sure to double-check the URL for accuracy. Once that's done, give it a name, let's call it POV repo, and hit OK. Next, return to the main menu and select Add-ons. Click on the open box icon at the top, then choose Install from zip file. Find POV repo and select it. Look for the repository zip file and click to install. After that, go back to the same menu and select Install from repository. Find the POV repository, click on it, and then select Video Add-ons. Here, you'll see the POV add-on. Just click Install. In a few moments, it'll be ready to use. Now you can enjoy a fantastic range of content right at your fingertips. Happy streaming!